Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to be doing something a little different. I'll be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro in titanium black. We'll be taking a first look at what I think about mainly the physical features on the new phone itself. So let's get right to it. First thing to do is to peel off the sticker tabs right here at the back, which is what I'm going to do. I actually really like the process of doing this because it's so therapeutic and soothing. Alright. Let's open this up and I can show you how it looks. Just want to be really careful with it. Oh man. Look at this. Oh, the color on it. You know, I was actually quite skeptical about my color choice at first because everyone seems to be going with the natural titanium color. But on closer look on this black titanium finish right now, am I happy with this? Okay, let me just put this down and let's see what else comes in the box. So over here, you have got a tiny instruction booklet, your SIM ejector tool right here. You have got, I guess, your stickers as usual. So this is the same as what you get with previous iPhone versions. So this right here is what everyone has been talking about. So this is the USB-C cable, and it's a super nice cable that Apple has included. It's a thick braided nylon, similar to the MacBook charging cables, and I would say out of all the changes, the transition to USB-C is definitely the biggest change to the new iPhone 15. So as you can see, this is the iPhone 15 Pro in black titanium, and the first thing I want to talk about is the color. The iPhone 15 Pro comes in 4 different colors this year, and I was caught in between the natural titanium and black titanium. But in the end, I decided to go with black. Seeing the black titanium finish in person, it has such a beautiful shade, and holding it in my hands, I can already feel the weight difference compared to the previous stainless steel models. To be honest, I'm still in between the preference of titanium versus stainless steel models, as I tend to prefer heavier phones. Also, usually something that is heavier equates to better quality, right? At least this is what I feel for myself. So what do you guys think about the weight and the color? Feel free to let me know down in the comment section below. Let's take a look at the sides of the phone. The finishing on this looks really good. I know that titanium can sometimes have an inconsistent finish, and there might be some discoloration, especially on the natural titanium finish. However, taking a closer look so far, it looks pretty alright here on the colored titanium model. The phone, I think, attracts far less fingerprints than the polished stainless steel models from last year. The only other minor design change is the sharp edges of the iPhone that has been shaved down, and it has been rounded off just a little bit. It's pretty subtle in the hand, and the phone does look a little more curvy, and it feels more comfortable. Here is also the first look at the action button, which replaces the mute toggle switch, and it can be customized to do a bunch of different things. I will create another video to show the functionalities on this phone, so stay tuned for that. As we move over to the front of the phone and peel this sticker off, you can already catch a glimpse of the dynamic island right here. Everything just seems so seamless, from the back to the sides to the front. Besides the color, the iPhone 15 Pro this year looks pretty much identical to last year's phone. It's the same basic size, design, and form factor with the same size dynamic island notch at the top. Taking a look at the back of the phone, I realized that the colors around the camera lenses seems to match up a lot closer to the shade on the back compared to before. I'm not sure if it's just me, but it looks a lot more seamless, and I'm glad that I went with the black titanium color on this phone because I was really tempted by the natural titanium. As far as the pricing of the iPhone 15 Pro goes, the base version of the 128GB starts at about 1,649 Singapore dollars, and it goes upwards with larger storage option. Well, it's important to protect the phone, so let me just go ahead and pull out the first case that I decided to get for the iPhone. Here, I decided to get a case from this company called Elago, which is a company from US. This is a very simple silicone case that I got. I paid 20 Singapore dollars for this, which is around 15 USD. Apple cases cost around $75 each for the silicone cases, which is 3 times more than what I'm paying for right here. And also at the same time, I'm not a fan of their fine woven cases. There is one case which I'm in love with from Apple, and it's none other than Clay. Color on it looks awesome. The contrast together with the black titanium looks really awesome. And you can check out this YouTuber who tried out every single Apple case on the iPhone 15 Pro. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this casing. I decided to get my hands on the black color silicone case because I think black on black, it looks the nicest to me. This is the black silicone case. On first touch, it's smooth. It has a soft feel to it, and it's, I would say, pretty comfortable. So let me just remove the packaging. Look at that, there are some words in it. Make details, make history, the coordinates, the country, and where it's designed from. Really like how minimalistic this looks. Even though this is a silicone material, there is some sort of material inside that feels different. It kind of feels like suede, but I have no idea why it is. And over here, it's raised, so it protects the camera lens. I bought it because of how minimalistic it is, and it's pretty sturdy and it has a nice feel to it. I'm going to put the iPhone now into the casing to see how it looks. Alright. Okay, and there you have it. It's a super snug fit. There are cutouts for your USB-C, your speakers, your microphones. Yeah, like I said, it's a fairly simple silicone case and it protects the camera, so that's great too. So what do you guys think about this case? Would you rather pay $75 for what you get on Apple? Or would you rather just pay a third of that price for a third-party casing? So this is the entire unboxing experience of the iPhone 15 Pro. I really want to know what colors you guys decided to get for your new iPhones, especially if you got the Pro models. I've just been really going back and forth between the black and natural titanium before settling on this one. That's gonna be it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. It's something different and it's my first time doing something like that. So if you guys enjoy watching this, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There are many other videos that you can check out, and I will create more videos to share with you guys more on the functionalities on the phone the next time. Alright, so I will see you on the next video, and take care everyone.